Today I'm taking with the eSilly 64-piece 3/8 drive impact socket set. This is a heavy container. There's a lot of mass here. Okay, there's just a ton of sockets in here, and these are some pretty big boys too. This goes all the way up to a 24. It's a nice black phosphate finish on there. These are all 6-point, which is important. We're gonna get the max amount of bite out of those nuts and bolts. We can also see that those are drilled out on the corner, so that's gonna be good for off-corner loading. They are labeled 24mm chrome vanadium, and these are 3/8 drives. So what's nice about these all being 3/8 is that we can use the one ratchet and we'll be able to use every single socket in this set. Oh, this one's too small. We gotta get the next ratchet up. Everything is gonna work with everything in this set. So we do have both standard as well as metric, and we can see everything is labeled on the case, so we know exactly where they all go. So that way if we're missing one, we're going to know exactly what that socket was. So for the metric, we got 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24. So that is excellent. There's absolutely no skips from a 6 up to a 24. And that's pretty rare these days. For the standard, we got 5/16, 3/8, 7/16 half, 9/16 5/8, 11/16 3/4, and 15/16 1-inch. So again, no skips at all from a 5/16 up to a 1-inch. And for the non-deep well, we got 5/16 3/8, 7/16 half, 9/16 5/8, 11/16 3/4, 15/16 and 1-inch. So again, no skips from a 5/16 up to a 1-inch. So we got the exact same shallow sockets as we got in the deep well sockets. And 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24. Again, same thing, all the metric sockets from a 6 to a 24. It is very nice. It is refreshing seeing that. We got an extension. This is a 6-inch, also chrome vanadium, and we got a little D10 ball there in the back, as well as a 3/8 drive female. That is a nice tight fit. Will be reassuring in the event that we have to actually pull this off of something. We also got a 3-inch. So if we combine those together, we'll have a 9-inch extension. We got our ratchet. Nice thick round handle on here, so we're not going to be hurting our fingers when we ever got to put a lot of torque on that. Fairly smooth feeling ratchet. That is reversible. And this is a push button, which is the style I prefer. And you can even see just with the weight of the ball, that is enough to make that drop. If we're ever working one-handed, like we're trying to hold a part in place, something like that, we can actually put our sockets on and drop them off with one hand. So this feels like a very nice ratchet. We also have an adapter with this. So this is 1/2-inch to 3/8. So if we want to use this with a 1/2-inch impact wrench, we can do that. And we can see that this is drilled all the way through. So if we want to use that with a pin and O-ring, we can actually do that. It also comes with a swivel adapter, and that holds itself straight. I wonder if that is going to hold itself straight with a large 24. So that will sag, which is not really surprising in my opinion. However, I probably would not use a deep well with that, and there is still a little bit of slop with a 24 and a shallow. Not ideal, but this will get you out of a jam if you're in a tough situation. And the last thing, we have an impact driver adapter. So if you want to use one of these sockets with an impact driver, we have the tool to make that happen. One thing I could definitely say I appreciate about this set is that I guess it does move around a little bit, but not crazy. What I'm able to do with this is just grab one and pull it out. I don't have to fight it. I don't think like get a screwdriver to pop these things out. So they're loose enough that I can actually extract it, but not so loose that they're going to be completely all over the place whenever I go to grab this thing out. So overall, that is a very nice set.